Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Wheel Rack is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious cyclist or car enthusiast. It's designed to securely store and transport your wheels, protecting them from damage and making your life easier. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional racer, a good wheel rack can make a world of difference in terms of convenience and peace of mind. Number 5. SONGMICS UHSR 25BK Clothes Rack. Need more space for your clothes? This rack is the perfect extension of your closet. It provides ample room to hang up to 40 shirts, keeping everything organized. Made with strong 25.4mm steel tubes, this rack is built to last. It can hold up to 88 pounds of clothing, providing stable support for all your garments. It also features a bottom mesh shelf that holds up to 22 pounds. This is ideal for storing shoes, boxes, or anything else you need to keep tidy. The mesh design ensures even small items won't fall through. With 4 universal casters, including 2 with brakes, moving this rack is a breeze. You can easily roll it from your bedroom to your coat room and lock it in place when you need it. Setting up this clothes rack is quick and easy. Labeled parts and clear instructions make assembly straightforward, so you can quickly gain more space to organize your clothes. What we like. This rack offers ample hanging space, perfect for organizing your wardrobe. Its sturdy build ensures it can handle your heaviest clothes. If you're looking to maximize your closet space and keep your clothes neatly organized, you should consider this. What people say. The rack is easy to assemble. The wheel rack is sturdy and well built. It holds the wheels securely. Number 4. Origami R5 shelf folding storage rack. This innovative shelving rack is designed for all your storage needs. It's made of commercial-grade powder-coated steel, making it a heavy-duty solution for any space. Forget about tools and complicated instructions. This unit comes completely pre-assembled, ready to use in just 20 seconds. Simply unfold and latch. The rack features 4 caster wheels for easy mobility, and 2 of them have a smart lock function. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage. With overall dimensions of 36W x 21D x 60H, it offers plenty of space for home decor or bulky items. The distance between shelves provides flexible storage options. The wire shelves allow for airflow, perfect for stacking items in your office, kitchen, or garage. It can hold approximately 75 pounds per shelf with wheels, and up to 250 pounds per shelf without wheels. What we like. This shelving unit boasts a quick and easy assembly, ready to use in seconds. Its foldable design allows for easy portability and storage. If you are looking for a versatile storage solution that can be set up and moved with ease, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The rack is easy to assemble. The wheel rack is sturdy and well built. It holds the wheels securely. Number 3. Sakugi Heavy Duty Clothes Rack. This clothes rack is built to last. Crafted from high-quality metal, it can hold up to 82 pounds and 33 garments. You can rely on it for all your hanging needs. This rack offers versatile storage for all your clothes. It has a height of 59 inches and an anti-slip design. There is also a bottom mesh shelf for shoes and bags. The garment rack has 4 360-degree rotating casters, 2 of which can be locked. This allows you to move it easily or secure it in place. It's designed for flexible storage. Assembly is simple with the included manual, video, and tools. Even one person can put it together in minutes. Enjoy the ease of setting up your new rack. With its compact size, this wardrobe rack fits perfectly in various spaces. It complements any decor, whether it's your bedroom, closet, or office. It provides practical storage for your clothing. What we like. This rack offers heavy-duty construction, ensuring long-lasting durability for all your hanging needs. It provides multi-purpose storage with a bottom mesh shelf for extra space. If you like a sturdy and versatile clothing rack that's easy to move around, then it's a great option. What people say. It added a huge level of organization for my son's closet. There's even a rack storage section for shoes. Super easy to put together. Very lightweight. It looks great, holds a lot, and seems sturdy. Number 2. SONGMICS 3-tier metal storage rack with wheels. This durable storage rack combines a robust steel frame with mesh shelves. You can use it in your entryway, kitchen, or bathroom for years to come. The X-shaped sidebars reinforce the structure and prevent items from falling. They also add a charming flair to your space, offering 3 key benefits. It's your choice. You can install casters for easy mobility or use adjustable feet to keep it balanced on uneven floors. The dense mesh shelves have a 0.6-inch spacing, suitable for small items. The strong steel frame provides firm support, with different weight capacities depending on the feet used. The premium packaging protects the shelving unit during transport. Clear instructions and numbered parts are included to help you assemble it quickly. What we like. This versatile rack features an all-metal construction for durability. The X side bars add a charming flair while protecting your items. If you are looking for a stylish and adaptable storage solution for any room, it's a great choice. What people say. This is fairly sturdy, slim enough to fit in our hallways for storage, and was easy to put together. The 23.6 wide carts are perfect to fit 6 standard 11 by 11 x 11 fabric storage cubes, e.g., to hold folded pajamas and jeans, but could also be used for folded clothes or other items sans storage cubes. These carts shipped quickly and were well packed, and quick and easy to assemble with detailed instructions included and parts labeled. The parts include a simple wall anchor, if you intend for the shelf to be stationary, the necessary screws, Allen wrench, and small wrench to tighten the wheels, which are screwed in and stay put if the cart is lifted off the ground. The option is available to mount the cart on feet or wheels, and both are included. 2 of the wheels have brakes on them to keep the carts from rolling, in case that is a concern. The carts are sturdy and durable. Number 1. FDW 6-tier wire shelving unit with wheels. This shelving unit allows you to adjust the height of each shelf to your liking. The spacing is easily adjusted, and clips secure the shelves in place, preventing any unwanted movement. Designed with a V-shaped structure, this shelf is built for heavy-duty use. Each shelf can hold up to 350 pounds when the weight is evenly distributed. The unit comes with 4 adjustable feet and 4 nylon wheels for easy mobility. It offers plenty of storage space, and the dimensions are 48L x 18W x 82H inches with feet, or 48L x 18W x 78H inches with wheels. This wire shelf is incredibly versatile and suitable for various locations. You can use it in the bathroom, kitchen, or garage to store tools, books, clothes, and more. Assembly is tool-free, allowing for easy setup. The height of each layer is adjustable, so you can customize it to your specific needs. The operation is very simple. What we like. This shelving unit features adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the space to your needs. It offers a heavy-duty capacity, perfect for storing a variety of items. If you have a lot of items to store and need a strong, adjustable shelving unit, then it's a great option. What people say. The posts were solid and heavier than the cheaper ones that you can find here on Amazon. The wheels make it so much easier to move around, and the locking wheels keep it from moving when you don't want it to. It also comes with leveling feet if you want a stationary unit. I like that the shelves are adjustable. Easy to assemble, and I like the freedom of how much space is needed between each shelf. Very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.